This is Keith again. I have been working on my editor off and on and a little bit, mostly because this kind of stuff isn't very fun to me, and so I might get like a few lines every day or whatever, and so it took far longer than it should have. This probably should have taken a week, if not sooner, because there's really not that much actual work done. But now that I've kind of gotten over that hump, I'll be able to do some more work. In fact, I'm going to add a sprite tab here so you can create sprites, and then when you go into the entity properties, you'll be able to change the sprite that the entity uses. Anyways, I figured in a game you're not going to have all the entities that are in your game on one map or one level. So I needed a way to add entities to a map, and so I come up with this, where I have this separate list box that you can add an entity, and you can just do it just like this. And if you can tell now, the entity is showing up on the map tab, just like on the entity tab. And in fact, if you change entities in the entity tab, it's automatically updated here. Another feature that I added in there is you're able to change the position like you were originally with the entity tab itself. But now, if the entity isn't in the map, it'll automatically place it into the map. See, it just added it, and so that's basically what it does. But unless it's in the map, it's not going to show up. It's not going to be there, which is kind of what you want. Eventually when I'm able to do multiple levels, you'll only have certain entities, certain characters and items and stuff that will go on one level, and certain other ones that will go on another. This list here is just the list of all the entities you have in the project. I guess you could call it a project. I haven't really created stuff to do that, and that'll probably be the last thing after I do the sprites, before actually being able to just make games with it. That is pretty much it. The entity, like I said, updates between both tabs, and as you can see, I kind of compressed these over so I could add both of these list boxes. It looks like I have some extra room, like I could shove them down, or I could actually move the entity stuff on this entity tab probably over here eventually. But I've decided that I didn't want to deal with that just now, because I got to add the sprite capability, and then I'll have to add the deal about being able to make multiple levels in one game later. Anyways, thanks for watching.